Hello everyone, my name is Hardeep Singh and we are moving forward with the same topic, straight lines. Today we will be solving some questions on it. First question we have, find reflection of point 4 comma negative 13 about the line 5x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. So it means they are asking to find the image of a given point. So this line is given which is working as one mirror, and we have one point whose coordinates are 4 comma negative 13. So we need its image here. So how to find the image? What are the properties of image of a point, you can say? We will be discussing on that. So P dash, let's consider P dash is image of point P. So two things are important about the image. So image, the line joining the point and the mirror will always be perpendicular, and the other thing is the distance of object from the mirror will be equal to distance of image from the mirror. So we can say that PM is equal to MP dash. Using these things we can find image of this. How? First of all, we will try to find the equation of PM. For that we need one point is given. We need slope. So these lines are perpendicular, so slope of this line will be negative reciprocal of slope of this line. So we find equation of this line. After that we will find M. M is intersection point of PM and this line. So using the elimination method we can find the coordinates of M. After that we already know that M is midpoint of PP dash because PM is equal to MP dash. So using midpoint formula we can easily solve this. But there is direct formula as well, which will help you to quickly find this point. So that formula is, if you have this point given as x1 comma y1 and you have this as alpha and beta, let's say, and this line, mirror line, is given as ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then you can use this relation to find the coordinates of image. That relation is alpha minus x1 upon a equal to beta minus y1 upon b equals negative 2 a x1 plus b y1 plus c whole divided by a square plus b square. So as you can see, alpha and beta we need to find. X1 and y1 are given 4 negative 13. So alpha minus 4 upon value of a is 5. So beta we need to find, and y1 is this coordinate which is negative 13. Negative negative it will be positive. B is coefficient of y which is 1. So negative 2. Now you put coordinates of this point in this equation. So it will be looking like 5 multiplied with 4. So here it will be negative 13 and plus 6 divided by a square. A is 5, so 5 square plus coefficient of y 1 square. So what we get? Alpha minus 4 upon 4 beta plus 13 upon 1 equals negative 2. So this is 20 plus 6, 26 minus 13, which will be 13. 25 plus 1, 26. So we are getting alpha minus 4 upon 4 beta plus 13 upon 1, and 26 minus 13, 13. 13 multiplied with 2 is negative 26 divided by 26. These two cancel out. So we are equating first and last relation. Alpha minus 4 upon 4 is equal to, not 4 here, I think we are getting the wrong value. This is 5. So here the value given is 5. So equate this relation with this one, equal to negative 1. Beta plus 13 upon 1 is equal to negative 1. So what we get here, it will be alpha minus 4 equal to negative 5. Alpha is equal to negative 5 plus 4. So alpha becomes negative 1. And here beta plus 13 equal to negative 1. So beta is equal to negative 1, negative 13. Beta is equal to negative 14. So the reflection or image, reflection of point P 4 comma negative 13 about the line 5x plus y plus 6 equal to 0 is given by -1 comma -14. That's it. This is how you solve this question. The other way will be lengthy, but that will also give you the same answer. Let's take one more question. So we have this question: find equation of straight line passing through point of intersection of lines this one and line this one, and it is given that perpendicular to this given line. So let's try imagining what is happening here. We have two lines which are intersecting at a point. So let's say these are the two lines. Their equations are given. Equation of one line is 5x minus 6y minus 1 is equal to 0. The other equation is 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. So there is another line which is passing through the intersection of these two. So another line passing through the intersection of these two, and this line is perpendicular to another line. So there is another line which is perpendicular to this line. So the perpendicular line is given as 3x minus 5y plus 11 equal to 0. So this line L, this is our required line. Its equation we need. So we will be focusing how to find equation of line. We know that for equation of line, we need one passing through point. I think that passing through point can be found by solving these equations. It will be point of intersection of these two lines. And another thing we need to find equation of line is the slope of line. So for slope of line, we can depend upon this line because these two lines are perpendicular. Line L will be having slope negative reciprocal of this line. So we are starting with this thing, finding slope of this, then this, and finding intersection point by solving these. So given lines. So given lines are 5x minus 6y minus 1 equal to 0, and another line is 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. So we will solve these two first. Solve 1 and 2 to find intersection point. Intersection point. So we are using elimination method. I am trying to make the coefficients of y equal. So I will multiply equation 2 with 3. So it becomes 9x plus 6y plus 15 equal to 0. And I'm writing first equation as it is, which looks like 5x minus 6y minus 1 equal to 0. Now when you add these two will cancel out. 15 minus 1 will be 14, and here also it will be 14x. So 14x is equal to negative 14, and x is coming out to be negative 1. Now what we do, we put this negative 1 in one of these equations. So put x equal to negative 1 in equation number 1. So what happens, 5 multiplied with the negative 1, negative 6y, negative 1 is equal to 0. So this is negative 5, negative 6y, negative 1. So negative 6y, negative 6 equal to 0, negative 6y is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 1. So point of intersection we got. Point of intersection is negative 1 comma negative 1. Okay, we are done with one of the things. We needed a point, we got it. Now we need slope of line L. For that we are finding slope of this line. So what we do here, given line 3x minus 5y plus 11 equal to 0. So slope of this line 3 is m1, which is given by negative coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So coefficient of x here is 3 with the negative sign, and this is negative 5. So m1 is coming out to be 3 by 5. Now what we say, because line L is perpendicular to line 3, so slope of L will be m2. It will be negative reciprocal of this slope. So it becomes negative 5 by 3. Negative sign with the reciprocal of this thing, sorry. So now we write the equation here. So equation of line L, this line. We needed 1 point, we got it, -1, -1. We needed the slope of it, we got it, -5/3. So answer comes out to be y minus y1 equal to m2 x minus x1 using this formula. So y minus y1, y1 is this plus 1, m2 is -5/3, x minus x1, x1 is this coordinate plus 1. So cross multiply, this will be 3y plus 3 equal to minus 5x minus 5. So this comes on this side, it becomes 5x plus 3y plus 8 equal to 0. So this is the final equation of the required line. I hope you understood this question. Let's take one more question now. We have another question. If the line joining the points this and this rotated about point A anti-clockwise direction through an angle of 15 degree, find the equation of line in new position. Let's try to draw it here. So we have the coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis. So 2 points are given, 2, 0. So I am creating it as 2, 0. This point is 2, 0. Next is 3, 1. So let's say this is 3 and about here it will be 1. So this point is 3, 1. So join these two to draw the line. So this is the given line. We are calling it line AB because it was given. So let's call it just AB. And this line is rotated by an angle of 15 degree anti-clockwise. It means the angle from original place to here, the angle will be 15 degree. So this angle is 15 degree. Now it becomes L dash. Let's say this is L dash, this was AB. So this angle is 15 degree. Now to find the equation of L dash, what we need, this is a line. The equation of line can be found if we know the slope of line and one passing through point. Passing through point is same. It is still passing through 2, 0. But for slope must have changed because it has rotated by some angle. Its inclination has changed. So how to find that? For that, what we will do, we will think about the idea of slope. What is idea of slope? Slope is actually the tangent of angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis. If we somehow can find this angle, we can find the slope of line and then we can write the equation of line. So we know this angle 45. So for this whole angle, we need this angle first. If we can find this angle, then we add these two and we get the total angle. So what we can do? We can use the slope of AB to find this angle. How? Let me show you. Slope of AB can be found using y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So here is 1 minus 0, 3 minus 2, which is 1. So slope is coming out to be 1. Slope is nothing but tan alpha. So tan alpha is 1 if alpha is equal to 45 degree. So it means we got this angle. This angle is 45. So this is 45, this is 15. The total angle will be 60. So what I write here? Line is rotated by an angle of 15 degree anti-clockwise to a new position L dash. Now what we say, angle made by L dash with positive direction of x-axis, positive direction of x-axis will be 15 plus 45, which is 60 degree. So we got it. Now we can write the slope of L dash. So slope of L dash. So the formula for slope is tan theta, so tan of 60 degree. So tan of 60 degree is equal to under root 3. So what we got the slope of line. We already know the passing through point, which is 2 comma 0. So what we can say, so equation of line, equation of L dash through point 2 comma 0 and slope m2 equal to root 3 is, so formula is y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. Putting the coordinates of the point here, y minus y1 is 0, m2 is root 3, so x minus x1 is 2. Simplifying this, we get y equal to under root 3x minus 2 under root 3, which becomes under root 3x minus y minus 2 under root 3 equals 0. So this is our final answer. I hope you understood this question. So this is enough for today. We will do more questions in the next one. Thank you.